Hey guys, welcome to you son. Now most of the time in our life, when you think about investments, what we think and what we mistake, what we need to think. So that is the question first we should ask: how to think and what to know, what not need to know, and who can guide me, where I can get the right source. So regarding investment purpose, I make this series for you to learn. If you are a beginner or intermediate, so that will help you. This video will help you to learn how the market work, how to invest, where not to take risk, where to take risk, and how to become an informed investor. Many investors, especially the small investor, do not often possess adequate expertise, knowledge to take informed investment decision. Many of them are not aware to take the risk return policy of the various investment product. A large number of investors are not fully aware of the precaution they should take while dealing with an market intermediate. Many are not familiar with the market mechanism and practice as well as with their rights and obligation. Those are substantially fluid by the huge reward that some investments have the potential to offer. At the same time, wrong investment decision can lead to huge losses too. So investors, be aware. For that reason, I'm here in this video, try to discuss with you or try to give you some sort of knowledge, some sort of direction, some sort of light, the light of sun, the knowledge of light of sun. So to get some better understanding where your money should invest. Investor, be aware, right? Should be the watchwords. It should be the watchwords. As well as investments have some risk elements. This should be borne in mid by the investors. If caution is thrown to the winds, they have only to blame themselves, right? Investing well has a secret formula. What is that? That is having the right information. First, the secret formula is having the right information. Next is the planning. What is the third? Is the making good choice. That is very important. Right information, planning, and making good choice. So that is why I'm giving you for this very base first lecture some source where you can get good information. The first player in I said that right information. So where I can get the right information? So the first website I will tell you. No, I'm here. I will tell you 3 websites. Okay, how much? 3 websites, and within those 3 are government regulated. Okay, or you can say that the valid source of knowledge you can get. And also I will tell you some other source also. Now first of all, the very first website is iepf.gov.in. This website fulfill the needs for an information resources for small investors on all aspects of the capital market, and does it in the small investors language. Okay, so you have it will available in your own language. So this is the first government website, iepf.gov.in. Second, I will tell you not a government, but yes, watchoutinvestors.com, a very good free public service arms the investors with the precautionary. The best define against fraud is precaution. So the first of its kind of in the world, watchoutinvestors.com. This is the very important websites you should check. Now we know that to become a genuine aware investor, people suggest you some books to buy and read them, but I suggest you to watch some very important websites and read them, because nowadays people like to read on digital rather than physical. So you can go and read them, and also you can watch some videos of those who make money really is, for example, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger. If you from India, then you should watch the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, then Ramesh Damani. Lots of name is available. You just go on Google and search it, and you also get some YouTube channel who's supply you some sort of information on it, so you can go and watch it. And one of them is YouSun, where you will get a sort of knowledge, correct, true information. So the first step to invest is that right information. So YouSun will give you that sort of knowledge, and source also we will tell you. So now first we discuss about that iepf.gov.in. Second is watchoutinvestors.com, right? Watchoutinvestor.com enable investor to do a fast, efficient and user-friendly search. It provide investors information on such entity persons who have been indicated by various regulator or courts. This information can be used by the investors, prospective investors, while making investments, and can also be used for reviewing their portfolio, vice versa, such entities. Now come to the very third website is investorhelpline.in. This is a dedicated, free of charge portal to handle investors' grievance relating to various authorities like Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Register of Companies, Security and Exchange Board of India, and Reserve Bank of India. Complaints are taken by the websites for redress, both with the companies and with the concerned regulators. Now investor can log in their grievance related to the capital market and company deposit in easy to fill form, and track progress of their grievance redress online. So this is the three website, and this is for beginner. Now I will tell you that after that the intermediate, or you can continue it from the beginning. That is, there is also two websites is also I will share you, and very important website in your future you will use them. First is Money Control, second is Investopedia, and also another is your BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. They have their own websites. Then NSE, National Stock Exchange, Nifty 50, then 100, Nifty 100, lots of websites there. So go on Google, search them, read them. The basic aim here in this video to give you the right source of information, where you should look for, okay, where not. If you go some other websites, they will tell you that invest in their company or some sort of company, so without telling them the pros and cons, and you don't know them about, and you just give your money to them, you maybe have to pay the losses. So in this video, that's all guys. Now in the next video we will talk about that why investing is important, right? This is the video series you should watch to get a good amount of knowledge from here. For the basics, this is a basics beginner series I started, and in the very next video, or in the part 2, this is the part 1 where I tell you about that websites, the right information source where you can go and read about yourself, and you study from there. So iepf.gov.in, I will give you all the link on the description, so you can check it and read them and open all the pages and study them very well. Okay, so I give you 5 websites name and also other sources. Then for Indian, right, and I also tell you that how you can get some knowledge from YouTube, from other lectures, other websites like so this is all about in this next video. In part 2 we will talking about that why investment is important. Then we will discuss the saving versus investments, what is better, saving is better or investing is better, and then we will talk on the power of compounding. Then age, okay, what age should be and what kind of investment you should make. Then objectives of investments, asset allocation, individual category and selection criteria. So those for the very next part 2. And so for now, thank you for watching and keep watching, and thanks.